Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you the different ways you can output your data within Alteryx. So let's first take a look at our dataset. It's composed of three columns: country, amount and supplier. In our example we are gonna output based on the supplier field in two different sheets, A and B. So let's drop an output tool and I'm gonna connect. And what I'm gonna do is give it a dummy name, let's say output, that I want to save as an Excel file. And here in the configuration window, in the options, I'm gonna change it as override sheet. And at the bottom of the configuration window, there is a checkbox. So I'm gonna check it and change the file table. And here, the field containing, I'm gonna put my supplier field. And let's say I don't want to keep my supplier field in the output, so I'm unchecking this box. So let's run. And here, as you can see, I got my Excel file. I'm opening it. And here you can see that in the output, so I still have my country and amount field, but it's split in A and B. So the supplier field that disappeared because in the output options I uncheck the keep field in output. Okay, now we have seen how to output into multiple sheets. We're gonna take a look at how to output into multiple files. So we are still gonna use the same dataset as previously, but this time we want to output multiple files based on the country field. So let's drop a formula tool that I'm gonna connect again. I will create a new column, let's call it food paths, and here I'm gonna go in the folder destination, copying, pasting into brackets. Then I'm adding my country field. So here you can see the previous window. Oh, I'm missing a backslash. Let's add it. Then what I'm gonna do is again in brackets precise that I want to output in an Excel file. So sheet 1 into bracket, and you can see here in the previous window it will goes in this destination and my file will be called, so this time fr because it's the first row, .xls6 sheet 1. Let's now drop an output tool. Again, we're gonna give it a dummy name. This time will be output2, for instance. I still want an Excel file. Save it. Here in the option window, again, I'm gonna choose the override sheet function. And here, this time I'm not gonna select the change file table name. I'm gonna change the entire file path. Why? The reason is I'm gonna take the value from the column I just created. And here in the field, I want to output based on a country, but I'm gonna choose the food path because this is the new column I just created. Again, I don't want to keep the field in the output. Let's run it. And now you can see at the bottom of my folder, I got 4 different files. So let's open one. And you can see I got the sheet 1 that I defined, and I only have the values from friends. Okay, in this third example, we're gonna try to combine what we've seen previously, meaning combine output in multiple sheets and multiple Excel files. To do so, I'm just gonna copy paste this part so I don't lose time. But this time I want to output dynamically using different sheet names. So what I'm gonna do is remove the sheet 1 text and select the supplier field. And again, in the previous window, you can see what will the result looks like. Okay, I can keep the exact same configuration, which means override sheet drop, change entire file path based on the full path field. And again, I don't want to keep the field in output. Okay, let's run it. So you can see here in the list of output, I got a lot of different files because first they are based on the country field, then on the supplier field for the sheet names. Let's have a look. Here, let's open the France file. Okay. And here you can see that I only have French values and it is split into multiple sheets based on the supplier field. Well, thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it and it will be useful for you. I will put all the workflows that I've made into the description so you can download it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the video and I will answer all your comments.